Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been on the market for a clock, then don't just get a boring clock. Get one that's stunning and has all the bells and whistles. And that's why I love this one by CYMHCHL. It has the month, date, temperature, humidity, time, and the day. It came so beautifully packaged and is so easy to set up. It is also customizable, so you can have it at a 12-hour or 24-hour formats, so you can switch it to your convenience. It also came with everything that I needed to make sure to set it up and wall mount it correctly, even with a little level, which is adorable. I think the final display of this clock is not only awesome, but it helps me stay on top of things so I never forget where I'm at as far as the date is concerned. It comes with a remote control, which is very convenient. You can turn off the display, you can dim the lights, you can set your stopwatch so that you can keep track if you need to have something in the oven or whatever you need to do as far as keeping track of the time. And this remote control has the alarm as well and the atmosphere lights in the back. And it does stand up nicely if you want to have it on a standing table, if you don't want it wall mounted. It also has 15 color modes. That is just so beautiful. I also like the back mode, how it lights up. You can turn that on or off as well. This is definitely so fun to have. It's definitely making us feel organized. I like that it was simple and easy to set up. I appreciate all of the features. I think that they thought of everything. And if you just need to be a little more aware of the time or have an alarm, then definitely get this clock and be as amazed as I was.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.